Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses, and basically anything that will help you make money online. Today I have yet another amazing software product, one that is called TubePayz. TubePayz goes live on the 18th of July 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you, which I believe in Central European time is 5 p.m. and GMT 4 p.m. actually. And this very TubePayz product is being launched by the super affiliate Shei Adeleke, and in a nutshell, it is the first to market 3-click app that creates and hosts YouTube-like websites and drives free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds for you. Imagine being able to create YouTube-like websites where you have about 3.9 million videos, all of them done for you, and this is definitely going to attract the traffic you need to actually get the free buyers list that is going to actually patronize you and help you get the clicks that you need to make the money online we are talking about. And now this is a powerful software. I guess it works as an independent website, but in the form of YouTube, with 3.9 videos available for you on this very software. And if this is a product you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely give you access to this very sales page where we are right now. And I'm going to also show you, of course, the members area of this very software, which is exactly this. This is the software itself. I am privileged to have access to this one from the creator, and of course give you the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which are of course loaded with 1,022 very many different bonuses for you, okay, and tools that you can use online to begin to make money as early as today. Now stick with me on this one. I will definitely go along with the very members area that I have for you, which is exactly here. But before we do any of that, let me show you the amazing bonuses that I believe will blow your mind if you stick with me. And this is called TubePayz. Like I said before, what is this product all about before we go into the very bonuses that I'm talking about? TubePayz is the first to market app that creates YouTube-like videos and websites loaded with 3.9 videos in 250 different categories like health, movie, and of course fashion and whatever you want, okay, now, and gets you of course free buyer traffic in 60 seconds flat, maybe more than that, of course. And then of course you can definitely get all the other benefits that you have with this very one, which include done for you 3.9 million videos in different niches, one-click auto import millions of videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and DailyMotion. Choose from 250 different categories, which are niches. Go live with unlimited attendees, Zoom and GoToWebinar-like features with real-time chat. Add millions of YouTube short videos. Upload, host, and embed videos to websites. Pay and unlock feature and inbuilt video studio, and so many more that you are going to get access to. And it will also help you monetize videos and earn money, and of course so much more. This is what the creator said. Now let us go into the pricing for this one before I go into the very bonuses that I have for you. The front end for this one actually goes for $19, and I think it has a discount coupon that is supposed to fall out when eventually you want to go away from here, which is going to give you certain percentage of discount on this one. And of course $19 minus the discount that you're going to get on the sales page pop-up, you will have it for less than this $19. Now OTO number one is the unlimited version, which goes for $67, which is quite advisable to actually get a copy of the unlimited version in case there are limitations on the front end that will give you covered with this OTO number one, the unlimited version. The OTO number two is the done for you, goes for $297, and this is basically everything is done for you. You have nothing to do but to sit back and enjoy the income you get. Now OTO number three will be the automation system that goes for $47. Everything is automated for you. And OTO number 4 will be the Swift Profit, goes for $67. OTO number 5 will be Remitless Traffic, which goes for $127. Here you have traffic on the basket roll from this very creator and vendor, and of course you'll be able to use that to make money online. OTO number 6 will be the Franchise Edition. It goes for $197. And OTO number 7 will be Multi-Income Edition, and it goes for, I believe, $47. I must have omitted $7 here. This is it. OTO number 7. It goes for $47, as you can see from this very diagram. Okay, now with that said, let us basically now go and visit my amazing bonuses. The bonus number 1 for you is Latitude. This is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits, and it's a product that was created by Jono Armstrong, which deals with getting you how to make money with NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens, which are digital arts that you can exchange with cryptocurrency. Okay, now on the blockchain. Okay, so now this is basically what it has to do for you. And my bonus number 2 will be TubePayz. TubePayz is an amazing product that is going to give you access to the very information you need on this one, so that you will be able to sort of get information on how to crack the Twitter traffic. Twitter is a very big platform, but sometimes marketers find it difficult to make use of. But with this Chrome extension, you will be able to have access to getting it installed on your Chrome system extension, and use that very bot to actually drive traffic from Twitter to your offers and links. And of course, you know what that means. Now, my bonus number 3, I suppose, will be the Insurgency. This is exactly a product and a software and a training course that is going to teach you how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, which means you will be able to scale the Facebook ads no matter how expensive it is. You will be able to do it adequately, and of course make money with this very training that will teach you how to do so as an expert. Now, my bonus number 4 will definitely be Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is one that gives you access to how to get free buyer traffic on autopilot. And this is the lazy traffic for you. And any of these links, like you see here, will take you to the very page where you get access to this training. Okay, my bonus number 5 will be how to make 4-figure daily commissions, and it is called JavaScript Commission Bot. It's entirely a software that will actually give you the bot that will give you commissions by teaching you actually how to make 4-figure daily commissions. Okay, that's my bonus number 5, I guess. My bonus number 6 will be the Lockdown Formula, which teaches you, if you're a beginner, how to start and scale digital marketing. And of course, Lockdown Formula was a product that was produced by Jono Armstrong and Dawood Islam during the lockdown of the 2020-2021, when a lot of people were working from home and people began to learn how to do digital marketing and use this very product. This amazing training that is still selling to today to make money online. And of course, you can access it on the Warrior Plus platform. You will be able to have this all free of charge from me. Okay, my bonus number 7 will be over 1,000 different digital marketing tools in a product that is called the Commission Toolbox. This is amazing. It has over 1,000 tools that you can use to make money online. Traffic tools, hacks and bonuses and everything you need to actually begin to make money online. Every kind of tool that you can think of online is loaded on this Commission Toolbox, and this link will give you automatic access to it. Now, with that said, let us actually see how you can access this. When you click that very link on my first link in my description area, it will take you to this very sales page where you will use any of the yellow links scattered all over this page to actually get a copy of this very product for yourself. When you do get this copy for yourself, you will be driven to, of course, my Warrior Plus account, where you will be able to check up with this product. I'm talking about this link. When you click that link, first link in my description area, to bring you here, and if you click this very link, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. After purchase of this product, under your purchase history on Warrior Plus, you will find a page that looks exactly like this with 2 buttons. The green one gives you access to to TubePayz software. And of course, this free one gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I have for you lined up. As you can see, it is made up of about 1,007 or thereabout products that you have. I mean, it's amazing what you get from this very bonus page of mine. And with that said, we will definitely take a look at the very sales page. And of course, before we do that, we will see the members area, which is exactly where we are. This is the dashboard. This is where you get all the videos that you need. This is the button you are going to use to import video from the very software and upload video, movies, upload short videos, manage videos. Here you monetize, and here you have the traffic and of course the setting. And of course, the most important thing should be the tutorial. This is where you get the training. If you click on this place, you'll be able to get the training that you need to make this work for you. And of course, without the training, there's no way you can get the information you need to make money online. And here are total videos that is contained in this very product. Is called 3.95 million videos, and total video views 65 as of right now, and total users 8, and of course total video comments, and of course you have the total videos. So many things you have here. This is the training, your special gift and VIP training, which is this button that will give you access to this very training. So you get trained on how you can set this up as easily as possible under 60 seconds. According to Sheyi Adeleke, the creator of this product, you'll be able to do so in a very, very short time. That is basically what you have here. And I'm going to play the demo video of this very thing after this very one, so that you see exactly how you can make use of it. And after that, we will round up with the sales page. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Of course, where I review and promote cloud-based product and training courses and basically anything that is going to help you make money online. Now, this is the sales page. We are going to scroll together and you'll be able to, at your convenience, do the same when you get here. Everything is well explicit and you can make use of this information and all the training courses and of course all these testimonials you have here to make up your mind if this is going to be for you. Basically, I like the concept of this one because it gives you a website that is loaded with videos. Definitely video information is what is ruling the world because seeing is believing and people like to watch videos instead of reading. So this is basically why I love this very product. It may have the pros and cons, but basically the general idea on this one is very, very basically okay for you, I guess. And of course, you will be able to make up your mind when you get here and read through this very sales page so that we don't waste a lot of time on this one. We can always have access to this and you will be able to make up your mind if this is going to be for you. But I can assure you the intention behind this and the concept is very appealing as long as my very self is concerned. And I believe if you want to make money online using the video information technology, this may be the product you want. And with that said, we will definitely run through the amazing bonuses that I have for you. And then of course from there, we will be able to round up on this one and you'll be able to see that this is 1000 tools, a lockdown formula, JavaScript commission bot, lazy traffic for you, and you have the insurgency, and of course you have the TubePayz and the great latitude, which is exactly where we are going to come to the end of this very review. If you stick with me, I would definitely encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel and use the bell button for notifications, and I'll be back to you in the next video, in the next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, from me, from here. It's goodbye, guys.